I've been exploring the Sportsbet betting app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Sportsbet is an online betting app aimed at adults in Australia who like to wager on horse racing and a wide range of local and international sports. It focuses on making betting feel quick, familiar, and easy to manage on a phone or tablet. Core features include betting on horse racing, greyhounds, and major codes like AFL, NRL, NBA, and EPL, with options such as same game and same race multis to combine outcomes into one bet. The app also offers tools like Black Book to follow favorite runners, a personalized home screen, social-style features like feed and bet with mates, and multiple payment options including Apple Pay, Pay ID, and a branded cash card for fast access to winnings. Overall ratings are strong at about 4.6 out of 5 from a very large pool of reviews, suggesting most users find it reliable and convenient day to day. However, it is not without flaws. Some reviewers mention confusing experiences around quick deposit and bet placement, where funds are added but the intended bet does not go through as expected, which can lead to frustration and support interactions. Others describe issues with how certain bets are recorded or interpreted, feeling that small technical or interface quirks can have real consequences when money is involved. While Sportsbet promotes responsible gambling tools like deposit limits and self-exclusion links, this is still a real money wagering app that requires careful self-control and a clear personal budget. Overall, it is a solid choice if you value a broad range of betting markets, social betting features, and fast payments in one familiar app, and you are comfortable navigating an interface with many options. It may suit regular or semi-regular bettors who want racing and sports in the same place more than casual users who only place the odd bet and might find the quick deposit and multi-features overwhelming. If you download it, it is wise to set deposit limits early and double-check each bet before confirming, so the convenience works in your favor rather than against you. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.